So we will need some icons. So we need to go to File and look for Open. I think I can select this and I click on Opened. Click on Yes. Okay, so we're going to need some icon here, and let me go back to our file. So now we need to start to put our text. So here we can just say creative and enter digital agency. Control A to highlight, so you can change the format of the text. So you can take this one here. So we can go back to the text tools. So the digital agency now, shift key and something like this. Then we can come here and change this one to medium. Then we change the color to red. Something like this. Okay, so we can go back to our pen tools and color fill none, then stroke color this red. Oh, we need to change to black now, black, and make some stroke. Something like this. All right, so we need some text, so we need to go back to our MS Word now and copy some text. Control Z. So we need to go back to text tools and withdraw text frame. So auto paste. So we need to go back to this place and reduce the font size to 10. Then Control V and paste the text. Then Control A again. So we need to press Control T to bring out our text character panel. So we go to paragraph and full justify. So this is what we need. So we can make a duplicate of this text down here. So this place here, we can call it another thing. Go back to our text tools and here we type customer product review. Control A to highlight. So we can change the format of this to heavy. Can increase the font size to 14. So we can change the color from here to red, and that's that. So you can place this one right here. Shift key and select this. Then my alignment panel. So I need to align to this. Okay. So that's that. So we need to go back to our icons here and select some of the icons I would need for the design. Okay, I can select this, Control C, and I go back here and Control V. So Shift key and alternative key and drag to resize. Alright, so I can select rectangle and I will draw a perfect rectangle like this. Then I can fill it with red. So I'll press Ctrl plus. Then I can select this. And I'll take it down here to the center. Control plus. Then I will resize. Shift key and alternative key and dragging. Then I will come here and change the color from black to white. Then I'll press Shift key and select the red shape. Then I'll go to my home tab. I will look for Objects, Group. Then I'll make a duplicate of this. Oh, to Z. Something is wrong here. Through Z. Through Z. So I'm trying to take it back to the center. Then white color. Right click, arrange, send to back. Okay, so I can select the white now. Okay, so I can press alternative key on my keyboard and drag just to make a duplicate of this. So I'm duplicating it in 3 places. I'll select this. Shift key, I'll select this. Shift key and select this. Then I'll go to my home tab now, Object and Group. So I'll take everything down here, right? So what I will do is that I will draw another text frame like this, and I will reduce the font size to 8. Then I'll come back to my text tools here. Then from DOC I will make a copy of the text here, copy. Then I'll press V here, Ctrl V to paste. So this is not nice, so let me ungroup all these objects, then ungroup. So I will delete this, I will delete this, I will delete this, then I will delete this. So I will fall back here. So I will try to expand the text frame. So I'll select this, shift key, and select the red shape. Then I press Ctrl J to group, shift key and select the text now. Then my alignment here, good. Then object, group. So I will now make a duplicate of this, hotkey and drag. Something like this. Okay, so we can fall back here and right click, transform, reflect, then click on OK. So I need to take this one here and snap to this. Ctrl+0. So I will select this and pick on this red now. Ctrl+0. All right, so we can write some sentence down below here and say, we go back to text tools and we'll make a type and say digital. Okay, Ctrl A, can say quality graphics is 101% guarantee. And likewise digital printing. Right, so Ctrl A to highlight. So we can change this to light italics. We can increase the width, the size to, let's say, 12, and just stick it down here and make sure it's snapped to the text. Boom, like this. Ctrl+0. So we have done with this part here right away. So what we are going to do is to continue with our text. So we need to have some marketing text here also. So we need to go back to the text tools and we can start from the top and say digital marketing. Ctrl A, we need to change the format here, medium. So we can now use right click, can use ellipse and draw another circle here. We pick on this red. So we go back to the icons and okay, Ctrl Z, this same icon is okay. Then Ctrl V, Ctrl+0. So Shift key and Alt key, then we drag into Resize. So we can take this one here to the center. So we still need to Shift key and Resize. So Ctrl plus, then Ctrl plus, okay. So Shift key and select the circle now, then Ctrl J to group. All right, so we have this one right here. So we can select this, Shift key and select this icon now, then we align to the vertical top. Now we need a text frame. We go back to the text and we draw another text frame like this. So we can come here and reduce the font size. Let's see, 10. So let's confirm the font size of this, 10. So everything is 10. Okay. So we can change the font format, the text format, right? So we can make it full. So this is just a practical text, a practical free text. So it's not necessary to be correct anyway, right? Ctrl+0.